Hi friends, welcome to Jump Thenix. I'm Arun and in this video I'm going to show you guys a home-based warm-up and mobility workout routine anyone can do. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's start with some normal standing jumps for about 10 to 15 seconds. Followed by jumping jacks for about 20 to 30 seconds. Keep in mind that in this whole process, make sure to keep your breathing in control and your muscles as free and loose as possible. And then we move on to some mild stretches starting with our neck. With your right hand, pull your head from the other end to your right while keeping your left shoulder in a neutral position. And then do the same with your left hand side. Do not pull your head too much and let the pressure from your hand do the work. And then we do the same thing with pulling our head diagonally downwards on both sides. Then we stretch our neck upwards and downwards, followed by full rotations, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you guys like this video, a subscribe and a thumbs up would be helpful, and make sure to watch this video till the end. After neck, we stretch our wrists by keeping one hand front with elbow and shoulders locked and pulling our palm by the other hand. And then we do some elbow rotations both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Well, you can do this on both hands at the same time if you like. Next, we do some shoulder rotations on both sides simultaneously. You can do this up to 5 or 10 rotations clockwise and anti-clockwise. Finally, we finish our upper body warm-up session with some arm rotations. Don't do it too fast. Keep your arms straight and rotate as wide as you can. Next up, lift your left hand up and bend your body towards the left. And feel the lateral body stretch on your extended hand side. You can do this 2 or 3 times and hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. And then place both your hands on your thighs and bend your body forward and rock up and down. Next, lock your fingers, lift your hands up and bring them close to your ears with elbows locked and neck straight. Then turn your body towards your left, arch your body back with right leg twisted and left leg stationary. Then do the same on the opposite side. You can do this 2 or 3 times. Then bring your body to the middle, bend it downwards with your hands locked in the same position and jerk your body up and down. If you can touch the ground, you can do it. Then release the stress in your muscles by doing some hip twists. Then start rotating your hips on both clockwise and anti-clockwise for about 8 to 10 times. Using both hands, grab your knees one by one and pull it up close to your chest. Likewise, bend your leg backwards and grab your toes and stretch your quad muscles. And then we do some ankle stretches. Then place your left foot forward and bend your right knee while keeping your left leg straight, and keep your both hands on your left thigh and shake your body up and down, and then do the same on the opposite side. If you guys can do this, you can grab your toes and do the same on both sides. You can even do this with some dynamic movements. Then try to free your leg muscles with some side to side jumps and front kicks. Then place your legs close to each other and bend your body forward and start shaking it. Then place your hands on your knees and start rotating it for 5 to 10 times clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can even add some squats if you'd like, with your legs closed and body straight. Finally, you guys can sit down and keep your legs forward. Shake your legs up a little and then we can move on to the final warm-up stretch. Place your left leg on the outside of your right leg and bring the knee close to your chest. And then place your right hand elbow on the back of your knee and twist your body towards the left side. Then do the same thing on the right hand side. After doing all these things, you guys can lie down and close your eyes and stay like that for 30 to 50 seconds. I hope this video will be useful to you guys, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please do like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys with another wonderful and better video next time. Until then, it's Arun signing off. Stay home, stay safe, stay fit.